Hi, in this video I'm going to show you a solution of how to solve the Rubik's Cube using a unique method. So first we're going to randomly mix the cube. Now it's randomly mixed. The first part is to complete a panel. So we're going to decide arbitrarily which panel we would like to finish first. If you want to complete the cube very fast, you will try to find panels that are partially done. For example, this blue panel already have 4 tiles that are done. So I'm going to start with this blue tile, and I'm going to try to cover this entire area with blue tiles, and I'm also going to make sure that the tiles on the sides match. Finish it here, like that. So most people know how to complete one panel with the right colors. So that part is intuitive, so you can figure it out yourself. The hard part is to complete the other panels. And in order to do that, you have to learn a few tricks that are sequential steps that you need to follow. There's 3 different sequences that you need to follow. So the first one is making sure that the corners, those 4 corners, are in the right place. So this corner has yellow, red, and green. This panel is going to be green because the center is green, and this part is blue, so green goes against the blue. But we want to make sure, so this corner is actually in the right place. This corner is not in the right place because this is orange and this is red. So this corner is white and orange, so this corner is in the right place, this one is not in the right place. This corner is in the right place because it's orange, yellow, and orange and yellow and green. So we have 2 corners that are in the right place, and these 2 corners should be shuffled. You should move this corner here and this corner here. So in order to do that, we hold the cube with the done panel, the blue panel done, away from us, and we follow this sequence. So we turn the top panel once to the left, and then we turn this panel once to the right, and then we turn the top panel like this to the left, and then we turn this panel, the left side, away from us, and then we turn the top panel to the right, and then we turn this panel, this left panel, back towards us, and then we turn the top panel back, so we have the blue panel back into shape. So now if we check again those 4 corners, we can see that this one is in the right place, orange, orange, yellow, yellow. This one is in the right place, yellow, yellow, red, red, green, white, and red, and yellow, white, and green. So that's great. So we finished this step. So now we want to finish this panel to make it all green and have the tiles in the right place, but 2 of our tiles, these 2, they're not pointing, the green is not pointing upwards. So this is our next sort of like set of steps that needs to be learned, and that step fixes the direction of the tiles. So we hold the cube with the blue tiles away from us, and this is the blue tile, we put it away from us, and we start again the same way we started this other sequence. So we turn to the left once the top panel, and then we turn the panel that is closest to us twice to the right, like this, and then we turn the top panel back once, and now we have, if we just look back, you can see that it's all the blue panel with the corner missing. The corner is right here. We turn the panel that is right in front of us once to the left, and then we turn the top panel back this way to the right. So the two tiles are here. Now we bring back this guy and finish put it back. So it did not really work. So we still have two tiles, two green tiles that are in the right place, and then these two guys are still in the wrong place, but we did not change any of the orientations. So we're going to try it again. We want to put it in the right top corner. Again, we are twisting the top level once to the right, the panel that is right in front of us twice to the right, bring back the top panel to the position that it was, one more turn for the panel that is right next to us, bring the top panel back out, and then align these three, and then bring it back. So we still have one. Let's do that again. We'll put it in the top right corner. Turn the top once to the right, twice. Bring it back. Again, we have a corner missing. Bring it back in, and then once we bring it back up, we have all four green corners pointing in the right direction. You can see that all of them are aligned with the right colors, and we are ready to now fill the tiles that are the middle tiles, the green tiles. In order to do that, we need to sacrifice one of the middle tiles of the other panel, so we can use that space, that row, if we want to turn things around. So let's, for example, take this yellow, put it here. And it's okay that we lost this one tile from the blue side. That's our sacrifice tile. So now we have this, the green and red that we can put here. So we just want to make sure that we align the tile that we want to fill with the sacrifice tile, and we now covered this panel, this yellow, and this one is in the wrong place, but we have to put this guy here. So again, we're going to use this tile that is our sacrifice tile, and simply replace that. So now the last filler in the middle is a little bit more tricky. So you have to make sure that we have one of the tiles in this opposite position like it is now, and then the other one would be here. So if I do this, I can now fill in the blue side and the green side. So now they are both covered. Okay, so now we finished the green side and the blue side, and all we have to do is to finish the central part of the cube. So we got lucky having the red side already done for us. So all we have to do is to fix those two tiles. So in order to do that, we are following the following sequence. So we turn once the center part forward, and then the top part to the right, center part forward, top right to the right, center part forward, and then top right twice. Now we're starting center part towards us, top part to the right, center part towards us, top part to the right, center part to the right, and then we are done. So here it is. Hopefully this will help you to figure out how to solve the Rubik's Cube and impress your friends. Hope you enjoy.